guys, DJ from the Speech and Hearing Sciences Department, and I'm here to talk to you guys about...
Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is change the font to 12-point Times New Roman. Okay, now you're going to go to paragraph, and we're going to change the line spacing. So we want it to be double spaced throughout the entire paper, and we want to remove the space after paragraph by putting 0 point after paragraph space. Alright, now we're inserting the header, so we want to click different first page, insert the page number, there you go. Alright, now you're going to put your heading, so write running head with a colon. Alright, and you're going to put your title in all caps. You're going to tab that over. Right, now you can highlight it all. We want this to be 12-point Times New Roman, so change the font. Alright, now we're done with the header for the cover page. Alright, so you're really going to start with the title of your paper first, not your name. Alright. And right under that, you're going to put your name first and last. Okay, and then you're going to put your university right under all of those. Okay, highlight all of that, center it, and you're going to press enter about 4 times. And then you are done with your cover page. Okay, so now we're on the second page and we are inserting the page number there. So for the running head, you're going to omit running head and you're just going to put the title of your paper in all caps and tab it over to the left side. Alright, and then you're going to rewrite your title. It's a little redundant, but that's how it is, and you're going to center it. And you're going to make sure that the header is in Times New Roman 12 point. Alright. So now you can begin writing your paper. You want to make sure it's right or left aligned. Alright, so now we're going to go to the references page. You're going to type references. You're going to make sure that's centered, so highlight it and center it. I'll show you guys how to do a hanging indentation. So start off your citation. Okay, so it's centered right now, so we want to highlight that and left align it. So click, well first we're going to hanging indentation, so paragraph. Okay, and you're going to click special and hanging for the hanging indentation. So now when you type, you're going to have the indentation on the second line rather than the first line. Alright, and then your next citation is going to start left aligned again. So now you guys are ready to start your papers.